York City. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what $2,200 a month gets you in New York City. Kitchen for a mini studio like this, because you have a full oven which has 4 burners on it, and then you also have a space for you to bake over here. And there's also a lot of closet space. As you can see, you have this one, and you still have this part for you to chop your veggies, to prepare your dishes. It's not like it's super cramped at all, that everything is like all over scrambling on the same direction. And also the good thing about this kitchen is that this is separate from the living area. So whenever you're cooking, the smell won't go to the whole apartment. And there's also an exhaust over here, which you can see, and the exhaust will help the smoke to be lessened, so the apartment won't smell like your dish. Full-size window over here. Most of my clients, they will put the AC in here because there's no in-unit AC over here. You need to bring your own, because this is a small building. This is a brownstone building, and mostly brownstone buildings in New York City are not equipped with in-unit AC. But as you can see, this one is where you will put it, right over here. And it's really nice because it's by the heater too. The good thing that I like about this apartment is that it has a lot of light. As you can see from behind me, it's shining so bright, and it will flood the whole living room. So if you're a person who loves light, then this is the right apartment for you.
So my clients will usually put the bed beside or close by the heater. There's a small space over there that fits a full or a queen size. If it's a queen, it will be a little bit extra. Then the couch across the fireplace, and then they will mount the TV.
So guys, as you can see over here, this is the fireplace of the apartment. I really love it because this adds charms to the apartment. If you are in a pre-war apartment, you'll usually get this. And I've seen a lot of designs here, like if you have a bed, you can put your pet's bed here, or like you could put some plants over here, or you could like put some pictures over here. It's up to you, but to me, this is a really great addition to the apartment. How often do you see an outer space on a 2200 apartment in the middle of Park Avenue in New York City? It's a really great deal. So come with me and let's see the outer space. So we're now here at the outdoor of the apartment. As you can see, guys, I'm sitting on a couch that's provided by the landlord. So you can be creative here. It's facing the back of the building. It has a lot of plants on it. It's getting a lot of light. You'll really have a great time here, like being creative, designing or journaling, whatever it is that you want to do here. This is a really great addition to the apartment. That's why whenever we list this unit, it goes by so quickly. see. So we're now here at the bathroom. You got a full-size bathroom that I'm gonna show you later. The good thing that I like about this apartment is that you got everything for 2,200 full size. You're not sacrificing anything at all.
Another cool thing about this apartment is the video intercom. So the apartment is 3 flights up, but you don't need to go down if you have any visitors because you can see them from the outside using this video intercom. You can open the doors for them, you can talk to them. It's just really cool. It saves a lot of time and it saves a lot of steps too.
Guys, so just a quick update that after I did a video, I rented the apartment, I received the qualified application, and it's most likely to get approved in a few hours. So I feel like that's my lucky charm. And also, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. If you have questions about the application process, the requirements, I did a video about it. But if you want to reach out to me, my contact is down below. So thank you so much again for watching, guys. I'll be doing more videos like this, so please don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the end of my video for more real estate update, finance tips. Have a great Labor Day weekend. Bye!